Welcome to another Omenani series. It is Etobo Sigwe, Ezikolomuo. Today I want to discuss how to hear from your chi. How to hear from your chi. Before I proceed, let me remind you that we are 3 weeks away from Afiolo Extra. This is a reminder for many of us who want to be around for the festival. You can make your arrangements, you can make your preparation. It's a beautiful moment for us in the Ordinana to fraternize, connect, and enjoy among ourselves, to learn from each other, to feed from each other. You've seen some of the lineup of the speakers we are going to have. We have interesting lineup this year. Chukandune Soku, we have Mazi Dibia, we have Obuifi Kwoma, Jiken Dubizu, we have Ezogo Jingodo, we have Akumiri, we have an Igbo filmmaker, Ebukan Joko. So, and my humble self, I'll also be among the discussants and teachers for this Ihejioko lecture. So, we need to start forming a kind of Ordinana community for us to have a strong voice in this reawakening movement, because they say that a three-piece or a three-strand cord cannot easily be broken, and our people say that a broom cannot be broken, but one stick of broom can easily be broken. So we need to start networking among ourselves. We need to start forming a community of Ordinana people, of Igbo cultural lovers, and this is what we intend to do during this conference. So please, I will enjoin you to make plans to attend. Even some of you that are saying that I'm looking for Ordinana, someone, young girls or young boys or young men who are into Ordinana. This is an opportunity to meet people, to socialize and network among ourselves, Ordinana lovers. So it will be my pleasure to see as many of you that follow me on these channels during this year's Afiolo Festival or Ihejioko lecture. Thank you. How to hear from your chi? Igbos will say, Chionya mwanya, chie mwanya, something will happen, something bad will happen to someone, and the person will escape from that impending danger, and they say na chie mwanya. In fact, it's even a name. Some people also give their children that name, Chimwanya. Something must have happened that will make a parent to name the child Chimwanya. So Chimwanya is an Igbo saying. It means your she is alive and up to his or her duties of protecting you from danger. It is not uncommon to see someone saved from danger and people will say Chia Mwanya. Yochi Mwanya. That means Yochi is up and running to its duty. Now this begs the question, how will your chi be active if you do not hear from your chi? Onye chie mwanya woye nti oye. Onye chie mwanya woye nti oye. Because in actual sense, your chi anya adro close. Onti ayi na echi echi. Ayi wa na edu na eme ọrụ di. Ayi na eme mkpọchi ntị. So onye chie mwanya woye nti eme ego no woye. The person whose chi is alive or active, up and doing, up and running, is the person that would have a listening ear. Now, cultivating the fine art of hearing from your chi is important in this journey. Many always say they do not know how to hear from your chi. Some people say, how will I hear from my chi? I don't know how to hear from my chi. Now, this is the reason I'm trying to do this teaching, so that we will learn how to hear from our chi. It's simple. It's simple, but you must know this. Your chi is you. Before we proceed, know this. Your chi is you. Your chi is you. It means you and your chi are well interconnected. Your chi is you, and you are your chi. You need to understand this. If not, you may find it difficult to develop this communication line with your chi. You need to rid yourself of this thinking. So you won't be thinking that you are talking to yourself. You need to understand that you and your chi are what? One. Ulubofu. Oluonyo oluochie. Guna chigibu gono ofu. Ife kwolo ife akudobe neru chigu. Guna chigu ofu. That counterpart part of you that is not being seen, that angel that is not being seen, that is almost like you or is interested in your affair. So your she speaks through you. Your chi speaks through you. That's why I say that you people are one. Your chi speaks through you. So you won't think that you are hearing yourself. When your chi is talking to you, you will think that you are the one talking to yourself. That's why I'm saying, before we proceed, always have this at the back of your mind, is that what? Guna chigi bugunu ofu. Ako ofu, oblunu afa. Gina chigi bugunu ofu. You are the extension of your chi. So your chi speaks through you. Through what? One, your thoughts. Your thoughts. Your chi speaks through you, through your thoughts. Some of your thoughts are your chi's thoughts. These thoughts, when heeded, will lead you into making right decisions that will save you from what? An impending danger. Or that will help you what? Improve your life. Because I keep saying it, that most times people pray that for their life to get better. What does it mean for one's life to get better? It's for you to make right decisions. It's the right decisions that you make that will improve the quality of life you are living. Good living, successful living is a product of what? Right decisions. Right decisions is a product of what? Right thinking. I think there was an old advert that was like good thinking, good product. So I'm saying that once you make good thoughts, you will make good decisions. And once you make good decisions, you will have a successful life. And I'm saying in this teaching that your chi helps your thought process. Your chi helps your what? Thinking process. You might think you are hearing yourself in your thoughts. That's what I'm saying, that at times, some of those your thoughts are what? Your chi is helping those thoughts process. What other way does your chi speak through you? Through your intuition. Your tuition is that strong spasmodic urge that impresses upon you to take a certain decision. It comes once in a while. When it does, the feeling is strong, clear, and different. Many a times, the opposite of what you have decided to do is this what? Intuition. In many occasions, is always the opposite of what you intend to do. Intuition is not like your thought. Intuition, like I say, is spasmodic. So it comes. And at times when it comes like this, it's strong. And it might be different from what you have planned to do. Let's take, for example, you might have planned to go out in the morning and you have that strong feeling not to go out, not to do something. Or you might have that strong feeling to call someone or to visit someone. Whereas you are not prepared to call or visit anybody. But you have that strong, intuitive, impulsive thought. Intuition is the higher level of thought. There is a difference between thoughts and intuition. Thoughts are steady. Every now and then you are thinking, even when you are not even conscious of it. As in you are also thinking, why polapo? It comes with intuition at times. Even when we are sleeping, we are thinking. So man is a thinking being. You are always thinking. You are driving, you are thinking. You are praying, you are thinking. You are washing your clothes, you are thinking. You can think about a particular subject for a week, a month, a year. You keep thinking on it, pondering on it. But intuition is not like that. It's not all that. It's not steady. It comes and goes. Call this person now. Stand up and leave this place now. Stay away from this person. Go and buy this thing now. That's intuition. So thoughts are steady. We are thinking beings. Our chi, when known, helps to spice up our thoughts. It helps. Your chi helps in what? Spicing up your thoughts. You are the one thinking, but your chi helps to what? Spice it up. Just like when you are having a discussion with someone, the person spices up your discussion. That's how your chi spices up your thoughts, by infusing suggestions that you deliberate on. But intuition is not steady. Intuitive decisions are like impulses, spur of the moment. At times, some of our intuitions appear illogical. For example, your intuition or chi can tell you to avoid a particular friend, but this friend is one who has really been good to you. Such suggestion or impulse about your friend appears illogical because there is no available evidential experience to back it up. And what will happen? You discard this impulse. You may refuse to give it much thought, but later, perhaps weeks, months, or even years, the reason why that impulse came, why that impulse was sent to you, will appear. You see that your friend that you said has been nice for over years, there is no evidence of betrayal. You see the person to betray you turn out to be not to be what you have always thought he or she was. So there is a difference between what impulse and what thoughts. So between thoughts and intuition, our she uses impulses or instincts to send us serious messages the most. Between thoughts and intuition, our she uses impulses. That's our instincts. If I can or instinct, some people call it instinct. Scientists will say instinct. I trusted my instinct. Trust instinct here. You must be a highly intuitive, a highly instinctive being. Inventors, they will tell you that they listen. That's what all these inventors call instinct. You're a detective, instinct. You must have a sharp instinct. If anybody if I have instinct, or if I have Gucci, or Chimad, we finna help that instinct. The third way, your chi, how to hear from your chi is what? Dreams. Our chi is among the information feeders that send us signals in the dream state. There are so many information feeders that while we are sleeping, that is sending us signals in our dream state. The dream state can be used to show us impending dangers, who to avoid, and decisions to make. There are other information feeders. Your share bros also use dream. If she they use mostly, like I said, is intuition, impulse. There are other information feeders that uses dream state to send us message. Mainly, departed ancestors. Your father, your mother, your loved ones, friends. At times they use dream state to show you of impending dangers. At times your family ago, your gods of the land, and at times your psychic self. Your psychic self. What do I mean by psychic self? The being, Yahuwah. Your psychic counterpart, the one that is wearing this body. If you are too dense, mana intuition, your thoughts, man, human need in nature. So they can resort to dream state to send you a message. So adhering to these signals improves your signal quality and strength. The sum total of these three, thoughts, intuition, and dreams, is what it means. Chige mwanya. Is the sum total of these three, thoughts, intuition, and dreams. In fact, the sum total of one being intuitive or what? Clairvoyant. When you see mwanya, when you do intuitive, when you do clairvoyant. Onya wana chi onya mwanya. Uzbu na-esi ebe ahụ wee na-apụta ife na-eme. So different cultures have different names for this thing. Though can I say now Holy Spirit. If I can akpọchi. If you do not know how to trust your intuition, you cannot know how to hear from your chi. I repeat, if you do not know how to trust your intuition, you will never learn how to trust your chi or how to hear from your chi. If they develop here, you must settle down. To properly develop this intuition, you must learn what? Meditation. This is where meditation comes in. Meditation abia na Igbo. Our ancient adepts, our adepts, how much we say meditate. Some of them did not even marry. Some live a reclusive life to improve this art of meditation. So you must learn that. I know na money you alter for your chi. If I'm saying about sacred sports, hey, back for ya no when they made this meditation. Igwaluchi oji toluchi ruzu no leba aho. Obure ito ha na oji woji me nka ikumi ozugbo puo. Stay. You might think you are hearing yourself. Oh, that period in I hear yourself ke ji agwa oku, ka chiga ji agwa oku. At times that might be when you have that impulsive info that will drop. That intuitive info. It's the same thing that the Easterners, the Orientals are teaching with yoga. Yoga is the Easterners, the Orientals process of what? Hearing your chi. No, now with their own method. How do you achieve the thing? No, can say separate away, you mountain. The fasting and prayer. I want with our own methods. Egoji, gonna chigi takoji, etulu chigunzu, iburu chigi ife olili, gonyane eliko. This is our own method of hearing from your chi. Echake utu ise, ano from your chi. Onye ada, yana chi ada apankata every morning. Onye ada atupulu chi enzu, onye ada awalu chi oji, onye aha egburu chi ya no, ono kata ogburu chi ya no, yana eliko, enwe that communion. Oge isili ike da na ano from chi. Then onye ada many meditation, oye isili gi ike. Ọ ego ga chim nekwo na nzu atolongo nzu ngo ahụ imecha ikwuchagharị fa ozugbo ikunye dapụ. No, it doesn't work that way. You must stay. At times, even before you stay, you start that process. Just be quiet. In that state of what? Meditation. Iwe nokwa is a two-way thing. Ngodo is a two-way thing. So, meditation helps you greatly to hear the intuitive signal from your chi. Trusting and obeying these signals is the real job. If you cannot trust and obey, enuchi ya dey sike. Maka agwa gị no ho, agwakwa ozo no ho, o ye siwezikwa ike ha we da na agwa. E mani na-enye fa na akpọgono ọrụ odi na-echi ntị. Onye na-echi ntị ezie ya ozi ugboro neno na akwụsị izi ya ozi. Ya jebezi ife ọfụrụ ya ma egono ya wolu. Ucha ya there. You want to learn how to hear from your chi, then you must develop your thought process, your intuition, and your dreams, and trust these three, because that's where your chi speaks through you. And remember, like I said, your chi is you, so don't think you are talking to yourself. That's yourself that is talking to you is your, at times your chi that is what talking to you. I don't know. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen, or my email address, or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.